Hello guys, so today we are unboxing Apple EarPods, Apple Lightning connector, which is wire one. So it is expensive, little expensive in India. The price of this is around 2000. So here you will have one strip. You have to peel this from here. After that it will open like this, something like this. Wow, it looks really awesome. So here when you give a look, it looks very beautiful, and it is very expensive, and it also worth it. The sound quality is awesome. So as you can see, so you have to peel from here like this, and this is how it looks. I have already opened it and I have kept back, so it's little like this. It looks something like this. It really sounds good. And this is unboxing of Apple Lightning EarPods. So the pin is like this, something like this. This is called Lightning connector. So it connects in iPhone 10, in all the iPhones, but for the phones which don't have 3.3 mm jack. So for that lightning connector, looks something like this. You can open from here, and then to open like this. And this is your mic. You can see the quality, it's really good. And we'll keep this aside. Let's check it inside, what's inside. I think a small book, how we can use the Apple earphone lightning connector. There is no stickers, and this one is in English. This one is also in English. Alright, that was a quick Apple EarPod lightning connector, EarPods lightning connector review, a small unboxing. Really worth it. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.